Hi, daily coaching tip. Are you confused about what you want your future to look like, or even what goals or intentions you should set for 2024? Make sure to stay to the end, because if this is you, I've got 3 questions for you that you can ask yourself to help gain clarity about what those things are. Often when someone comes to see me, they know deep in their heart that they want something different, or they want more meaning in their lives, but they just don't know what that thing is. That can be a very frustrating place to be for anyone. Clarity is like having a GPS. How do you know where you're going if you don't have a destination in mind? Because general goals lack focus. If you want to be happier, how do you know when you even get there or how to get there? So take out your journal. Here are the 3 questions you need to ask yourself. The first question, how do you want to feel? Because the goals that we want to achieve are always about the feeling that achieving these goals will bring to us. Question 2, why is having this feeling in my life important to me? And 3, what are the 3 things that you can do that will bring you closer to this feeling? Save this video so you can do this exercise at any time and tell me in the comments, how do you want to feel in 2024?